Hi everyone, my name is Madison Ramirez and I'm a radiology technology major, and I decided to do my project over time management among college students. The problem is college students are one of the most widely known contesters for having poor time management. Students are more likely to wait until last minute to actually complete assignments for many reasons. Some may include lack of motivation. Sometimes we believe that the material that we're given is actually harder than it really is, and we try to put it off until last minute until we absolutely have to do it. Trying to contribute to social lives. Sometimes you want to go out and have fun with your friends and you just put important stuff to the side. Managing time for other responsibilities. This could be family gatherings, or even a majority of the time college students have to work their way through college, which takes away time from studying or completing assignments when they're due. Another one, which is a huge one, is distractions. If you're sitting at home and your phone goes off, the first thing you're going to do is pick up your phone and look at it. This could be a phone call, a text from a friend, or a notification from any social media. There are so many out there. Some include Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. And this becomes a problem because students will not get their work done, and it results in them sometimes failing class, even dropping out of college, because they believe that they're not capable of doing the things that they need. Regional, national, and global effects. 25% of students become chronic procrastinators, according to the University of Buffalo. 30% of students drop out after their first year of college, while half of them never even graduate. Some psychologists estimate that 90% of college students are procrastinators. The statistics are 23% of students report lower grades due to internet or computer game use. Students who have higher levels of stress are most likely to have worse grades than others. The average person uses about 13 different methods to try to control and manage their time. Researchers found that productivity dropped as much as 40% when subjects tried to do 2 or more things at once. And it almost always takes twice as long to complete tasks than what we originally thought it would take. How to fix these problems and manage your time better would be you use a planner for your everyday assignments, and you try to plan out throughout the week and follow through with it. You plan your time a little more carefully and flexible. You need to give time in case an emergency happens and you're just not able to complete an assignment, and you don't want to have to wait until the last day that it's due to get it done. Get rid of distractions and stress. Sometimes you just have to put the phone away, turn off the TV, turn off the music, sit in a quiet area, and try to focus. You need to prioritize the most important things first. You want to get those out of the way in case something does happen, and you have a little more time to get the other smaller things done. The most powerful word that we can use when it comes to time management in our vocabulary is no. Sometimes you have to say no to people when they say, oh, let's go out and have fun, or let's do this, you can do it later. You have to say no. You need to think about yourself first. These are my citations.